In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin in Hostinger. If you need to give someone administrative access to your Hostinger account, the process is quite simple once you know where to look. This is useful when you want another person to help manage your hosting services without having to share your personal login details. Giving access the right way is also a better security practice because it lets you control what that person can manage inside your account. To begin, log into your Hostinger dashboard and look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open the account menu. This is where Hostinger places several account-related settings, including options for managing access and permissions. From the menu that appears, choose Account Sharing. This section is designed specifically for granting access to other users, so if you're trying to add someone as an admin, this is the area you'll need. Once you're inside account sharing, switch over to the Give Access tab. If another tab is open by default, just click Give Access to continue. This tab is where you can create a new access invitation for another user. Next, click the Give Access button. After that, a form will appear for you to complete. Here you'll need to enter the required details. For example, you'll be asked for the person's email address and the service you want them to access. Make sure you enter the correct email address because this is where the invitation will be sent. Also, be careful when selecting the service so the person receives access only to the correct part of your account. As you fill out the form, pay close attention to the role setting. You need to set the role to admin. This is the key step because the role determines the level of permission the person will have. Choosing admin gives them elevated access so they can help manage the selected service more effectively. Once everything is filled in correctly, click Give Access to send the invitation. At that point, the admin access request will be created and the other person will be able to accept it through the email they receive. And that's it. That's how to add an admin in Hostinger. As a quick tip, always review the email address, service and role one more time before submitting, just to avoid giving the wrong level of access to the wrong person.